All right, first we're gonna get a little olive oil. Sprinkle some olive oil. I chopped up some kibasi, like these fat sausages, some onion, and some green peppers. We'll cook this to get the flavor out of the sausage. Mix it in with the onion and the green pepper. Let it on high. We'll cook down just a little bit. Because on this channel, you get everything. You get from clean concrete, happy dogs, to diesel trucks. Only in America. All right. Like one good sized onion and a half of a green pepper. Now I'm gonna throw in some mushrooms. And we're gonna stir this up. Seasoning at this moment because the kibasi is going to give it all flavor. Don't want to overcook it because we're going to, of course, throw this in the oven in a little bit. Get your scrambled eggs together. I just put a little salt, a little pepper, and one of my favorite, roasted garlic. Red bell pepper blend. I'm going to be using this baking pan. I'm going to first get my spray and spray the inside so it doesn't stick. Alright, so after about 10 minutes of sauteing here, ready to go inside the pot. I'm in the pan. We're going to put the eggs inside. Just a little bit, even everything out inside. All right, I got my cheese, whatever your favorite cheese is. I cut it in these spikes. I'll put it inside on the top. And that's it, put it in the oven. I already have my oven preset. I'll preheat it to 325. Put that in the middle, 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes later, let's see what we got. Nice. So there she is, the conquistador of quiches. On the sides. I can't flip it and hold the phone at the same time. Hold on. There she is. Get a knife. Cut it open. Nice. So there you have it. The Spanish conquistador quiches. Yuppie! And for presentation purposes only, here we have it. Dressed with a little avocado, some muffalato on top, a little lettuce there. And it's time to dig in. All right, guys, girls, got any questions? Don't hesitate to ask. This is the crazy channel, Conquer Your Fear. You support it by just subscribing. That's it. Give me a high five, a thumbs up, or a thumbs down. whatever is the deal. All right, take it easy.